Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade. It's a membrillo lemonade, an exotic fruit, but a very delicious and amazing lemonade made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this refreshing and delicious membrillo lemonade. These are the ingredients: granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, membrillo, lemons, water, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and refreshing lemonade at home. So let's get started. I want to start by first making my simple syrup, and I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. I'm gonna take it to the stove. When the sugar has dissolved completely, the water is gonna turn a little bit yellow. That's normal. I'm gonna turn it off and let it rest until it comes to room temperature. And of course here, I wanna start with the delicious and amazing membrillo fruit. It's a very exotic fruit. It's a very delicious and amazing taste. But here, let me show you, I am going to rinse them really good through running water. This lemonade really comes out delicious and amazing. And yeah, I am sure you guys are going to love it. Just make sure that you really rinse your membrillos. The membrillo has such a delicious flavor, but of course, you need to go ahead, cut the edges off, take the seeds out. The membrillo is kind of hard, but when you cook it, it gets nice and soft, and the flavor really even intensifies when you cook it and you get it nice and soft. And here I'm showing you that I'm taking all the seeds out. I'm trying to leave the pulp and taking the seeds off. And here I am going to cut it in little squares because I am going to make sure that I cut it in little squares so that when I cook it, everything cooks at the same time. Just remember to remove all the seeds or else your water is going to be a little bitter. And here I am going to continue with the rest. I have my pan here. I'm adding all the pieces of the membrillo fruit. To this, I am going to add enough water to cover the membrillo, and I am going to cook it in medium heat for about 20 minutes. Once you start cooking it, just make sure that you cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. After the 25 minutes, you are going to notice that the water is gonna reduce and that the fruit is going to get really soft and tender, fork tender. When you could add your fork and it really goes through the fruit really easily, that means that this is ready. Turn off the stove, let it rest to room temperature while you get the juice of your lemons ready. Of course, this membrillo lemonade comes out delicious. You need to try it. And here I have my lemons. I'm gonna get the juice of my lemons. And with this little gadget, I don't leave anything behind. I get all the delicious and amazing lemon juice. Look at this. This lemonade is so refreshing. The flavor of the membrillo just perfect. And here I am going to go ahead, put it in my NutriBullet, where I only use it for my lemonades or for my smoothies. I don't use my NutriBullet for salsas, only for lemonades and for my smoothies. And here I am going to go ahead and add the pinch of salt. And now I'm going to blend. It really doesn't take too long. Look at this. And now I am ready to put it through a sifter, getting all the juice out, but yet leaving behind the fibers of the membrillo. All the fiber of the membrillo I'm not going to use in this refreshing lemonade. Of course, I am going to add a little bit of water into my magic bullet blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do this. I don't want to leave anything behind because this is an exotic fruit and it's a very delicious and sweet fruit. And here all the fiber is left behind. I'm not going to use this. And now I am ready to add extra water. Remember, you are going to have in the description box all the ingredients. I'm adding the juice. It's about 1 cup of juice. Of course, I don't want the seeds, so I'm going to go ahead and just put it like this. I want the pulp of the lemon, but yet I don't want the seeds, okay? That's why I didn't put it through a sifter, because I wanted the little pieces of the lemon into my lemonade. Okay, once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and add a splash of the simple syrup. Remember, your choice, how sweet you want your lemonade. I'm just going to add a splash of the simple syrup. You can add stevia, honey, agave, you decide. And it's your choice how sweet you want it. I just usually just add a splash and then that's it. Remember, the fruit is very juicy and the flavor is just amazing. Well, here, let me show you how the water looks, this lemonade. And of course, I can't wait to prepare my pitcher. I can't wait to prepare my glass and really enjoy it, because it's so hot here in California that I know that this is going to be an amazing lemonade. I'm adding just enough ice to my pitcher, and now I am ready to pour the juice of the membrillo. This is an exotic fruit. It has a lot of properties. It's very good for your body, and yet it's going to refresh yourself. This lemonade comes out delicious every time. And of course, I am going to add a slice of lemon, and I'm going to continue with my glass. It's nice and large. The color of the membrillo juice is a light yellow. It's amazing. And of course, I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation, and I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and refreshing membrillo lemonade. I know you guys are going to love. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Perfect for this hot weather. It's so concentrated with the membrillo flavor. It's just perfection made at home. Let me tell you, this is a very exotic fruit, membrillo. Make it, refresh yourself. with your family, and I know you guys are going to love it. I have so many lemonades on my channel that I am the queen of the lemonades. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I will stay enjoying this amazing membrillo lemonade. But before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Thank you for always leaving me your thumbs up. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing membrillo lemonade. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.